Hey everyone, looking to boost your trading game on Olimtrade? Let me tell you about the secret sauce promo codes. These little codes can give you extra credits, bonuses, and trading perks all for free. Promo codes are special codes that Olimtrade offers, letting you unlock rewards to give you a head start or a little extra edge in trading. And guess what? Using them is super easy. Just open the Olymp Trade app, go to your account section, and look for use promo code. Type in the code, then hit apply, and instantly see the rewards added to your account. There are different types of promo codes available. Some add bonus credits to your balance, some give you extra percentage on deposits, and others even offer cash back on trades. Just make sure to check the terms as some codes work for specific trades or time periods. Looking for the latest codes, always check the official Olimtrade website or verified sources for valid and up-to-date codes. That way you will know you are getting the real deal. So why trade without a bonus when a promo code can give you a little extra? Give it a try and see how promo codes can help you reach your trading goals faster on Olimtrade.